Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, welcome. My name is Deasia. This is my birthday series that I'm doing, period. 6 days of Deasia. Today is day 1 and the theme of this photo shoot was giving myself my flowers. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, please continue on watching. Starting off with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefits Cosmetics in the shade 4. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up. My eyebrows look so bad, y'all, but I need to clip my hair up. I'm gonna outline the top, outline the bottom, and shade in the middle. I'm underlining my brow, which means that I'm not like tracing out my whole brow because my brows need to be done so bad. And if I do that, they're gonna be really thick, so I'm gonna take away like the loose hairs with the concealer and put in extra concealer. Boom. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 3.75. And I'm gonna use this flat brush. I'm gonna go right back on, well, I'm gonna go back in and blend it out. So using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 0, this is what I'm priming my lids with today. And I'm gonna put some Makeup Revolution setting powder on my lid just to set it some more. This is like a really natural look that I'm doing. This is my Ultimate Neutrals palette from BH Cosmetics. I think I'm gonna play around with these browns right here. I'm gonna play around with these browns. I don't know which one I'm going with yet, but we gonna see. Okay, the next color I'm gonna go in with is this. I think I went in with this one. I actually forgot. I went in with one of these, but I'm gonna try this one first. And I went in with that on top of the darker transition shade I put down. I'm gonna pat it on first and then mix it in. Before I do that, I'm gonna make sure this black is completely blended out because it doesn't look like it is. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go back into that dark brown that I used in the beginning. I'm gonna put a little bit more in this corner just to darken it up a little bit. Now I'm going in with that white from the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, and I'm gonna use both of these whites. Well, no, I'm gonna just use the no, I'm gonna use both of the whites. I'm gonna use this sparkly white, and I'm gonna use this matte white. So I want this to be like a really soft eye. So I'm gonna go back in with my two brushes to blend the top of this white so it won't be coming off like as a cut crease. I'm gonna put a little bit of this middle brown right here at the end, so it can like transition from the dark brown to the light brown to the white. Next, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics loose highlight, and I'm gonna put that right on top of my lid. So I'm using my Essence Super Precise eyeliner in the shade Black, of course, and I'm about to do my eyeliner. And yes, we are doing wing today. It's the only way to go. I'm gonna make this look a little bit more intense because it's coming off a little different. Next, we're doing some eyeliner at the bottom. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna do my face first and then do my eyeliner at the bottom. So the two primers that I'm going in with today is the Studio Fix MAC Mattifine Shine Control and the Makeup Revolution Pore Blur. I like to go in with the Shine Control first. I hate how red my face gets after I put on primer. After I put anything on my face, for real. Okay, next, using my Too Faced Primed and Poreless Pressed Powder. This also helps with the appearance of pores. I'm only going to apply this on my cheeks because that's where my pores are mostly visible. Sorry. Okay, so next I'm going to go back into this concealer from the beginning, the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and take away my dark spots. Foundation I'm using is my Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Cinnamon. I'm going to contour. I love to contour before I do my concealer because it makes it look so seamlessly. seamlessly. Okay. Every time I do my nose, I make my nose crooked. They made you the head of the show, we get it. But are you really the show? I found letting this dry down on my nose before I blend it out easier. Only on my nose though. Concealer time. Using my Tarte concealer in the shade Tan Sand. My new beauty blender, about as big as my face. Using my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari. I'm gonna cut that. Using using my BH Cosmetics blush in the shade Bronze Babe. I'm gonna put, I already have some up here from yesterday when I was putting some on my wig, so I ain't gonna go too hard. And out. Highlight, bronzer, blush. Wait, the one I just put on was bronzer, not blush. This is blush. And I'm putting this color on, of course. Highlight time. Spray my face and then put my highlight on. Where's my highlight? Some eyeliner. Here she is. Here she is. And I'm gonna go up under that with that dark brown that I used in the beginning, just to give it a little smoke effect. I didn't think it was gonna take me this long to get ready for this look, but